Demonstrators came together behind City Hall on Saturday to attend the Stop Putin, Stop War protest. The event was hosted by the House of Ukraine community group here in San Diego. Community members gathered together to stand in solidarity with Ukraine. While most demonstrators in attendance have ties to Ukraine, there were also people of Russian descent who came out to stand against Putin and against the conflict. There was an outpour of emotion in the crowd, wanting to get the word out to as many people as possible to help those suffering in Ukraine.
I came to say, please, stop this war, stop killing people, stop shedding blood.
This is Ingrid Estrella with City Times Media.